Yeah, my people, so now we're there at the time of the half a tree. Yeah, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. No, not half a tree, like, ugly part, ugly part. As I'm gonna say, people, I'm gonna buy a mic, then we can record while we escape. It's time I order to buy can reach. Supposed to be next week, so reach next week. While me a ride and I hear me attack, and then we can give feedback to you. So make sure you stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Please, it's free to support a cause. Just like the video, hit the subscribe button, and just watch the video to the end. It's free, people. That's all me ask for. Yeah, if you reach so far in the video, may I ask you for one favor. Just like the video, subscribe to the channel. That's all may I ask you for. If you reach so far in the video, please may I beg you. Just like the video and subscribe to the channel. Enough respect. Why if anybody know about Alpha Tree, go there, sir. We're going to Alpha Tree at the worst place to ride, brother. Watch out. Them vending in the maker, they are not looking at that woman like that. But as I'm saying, I'm by 5. That time I'm stand down, but I almost like I can. And I see people, I see that brother up on the sidewalk. Yeah, my people, some of the things say, yo, if I could install a GoPro on the back of the bike, so we have two views, you see, front view and a rear view. I'm gonna think about it in the comment section. But as I say, enough respect to everybody who has supported us so far. We want 500 subs this month. Quick reach 1K. Start take over the channel.